Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Press volume up on the home screen to raise the ringer and make sure you see the ringer icon. Next, swipe into Control Center and turn off silent and any focus mode so calls can ring. Once done, go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics and pick a louder ringtone. You want contrast and high frequencies so the ear catches it. Make sure the side switch isn't set to silent and keep the phone face up so sound travels clearly. During the call, you should press volume up to maximize in-call volume. That directly raises the earpiece output. Then go to Settings, Accessibility, Audio/Visual and enable headphone accommodations to boost speech frequencies, which helps hearing voices over noise. Make sure phone noise cancellation is set appropriately so voices come through clearly. Also, if you're not using a headset, disable Bluetooth so audio doesn't route elsewhere. Finish by restarting your iPhone and installing any iOS update. Software fixes often resolve audio issues. Make sure the speaker grill is free of lint and that no case blocks sound output. A quick wipe can improve volume. If calls are still too quiet, reset network or all settings after backing up. That clears misconfigurations. And one key troubleshooting tip: if volume is persistently low across apps, test audio in voice memos. A failed recording or tinny playback usually indicates hardware. Contact Apple for inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.